What is up? Today is what day is today? Tuesday, and we decided to come miniature golfing with our children's minister from church. So we are out here having fun with that. I just had to come back to the car and get some water bottles because it is hot out today. It was overcast when we first got here, so it wasn't too bad, but now the sun has come out to play. Having a good time, and we're just going to keep doing what we're doing.
Jules are gonna get a surprise, right, Jules? Okay. And only our mom and dad know, and I'm gonna wear a blindfold in the car. So. Ooh, natural light! I love it. Today's the day to be outside. Kind of looks like I have a hat on. I can still see under that. So yeah, here's my outfit today. And I got some new shoes. So yeah, let's go. We're going to AMC.
What do you think we're going to AMC for?
To watch Inside Out 2.
What makes you think we're not just going to Starbucks?
What?
Or get donuts.
Or Walmart.
Or Walmart. Or Chick-fil-A. Or McDonald's. There's a lot of stuff that's... Girl, can you stop? What? You have a headache?
Oh, you should have stayed home then.
Yeah, you can't get a surprise. You don't need a surprise if you got a headache. It's gonna feel better?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not gonna hurt anymore.
So, Tori, you think we're going to where?
AMC.
AMC? To do what?
To watch Inside Out 2. I know you're recording right now. That's an obvious question.
Is it obvious?
Yes.
Jules, you really don't have to yell, baby. Can you tell where we are from the roads? The turns we've taken?
To the store!
To the store. Yep, your surprise is that we're going to Publix. Woohoo! To get free cookies at Publix.
Jules
What you mean no? Jules is excited. That's a good surprise.
That's not a surprise.
It is a surprise if we take you to Publix to get a free cookie.
We're not going to Publix.
Oh, okay. We don't have to go to Publix.
I want to go to Publix. This is not even the Publix road. It's AMC.
Well, Publix is over there. Yeah, but Starbucks is this way. We can go over to Starbucks right here.
I don't want to go to Starbucks.
Okay, fine. We won't go to Starbucks.
The wrong way.
Jules said she didn't want to go to Starbucks, so we won't go to Starbucks.
I know we're going to AMC, like I said.
You're such a good surprise finder-outer.
You're here.
We're going to see Inside Out 2.
Yay! Yay! I knew it.
Are you excited? Oh.
I don't think Jules is excited.
When you said we're not getting any snacks, I was like, we're going to the movie theater. That's obvious.
Is it?
Well, we can be unobvious and go get snacks at Publix and go back home.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we just watched Inside Out 2. It was a really good movie, right, Daddy?
Hey.
Mom, what was your favorite new character?
Favorite new character?
Yeah.
They're all
The new
really
emotion.
complicated.
Yeah.
They were all complicated.
But they make you. You can't be without them.
You got 5 new emotions?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think we have to wait till you're 13 to get them. You already have all of those emotions.
Jules,
They're not as
Jules, which
developed.
one's your favorite? The blue one. The green
one?
The green one.
The green one?
Who
I like
discussed?
the...
cupcake, or not your cupcakes, your cookies. Are you happy?
My birthday's in 3 days.
Your birthday's in 3 days. How old are you gonna be?
8.
8. Awesome. Did you get your cookie? Are you happy? What kind of cookie did you get? What kind of cookie is it? Sprinkles.
Me too.
Sprinkles. Dragon fruit?
Yeah.
No. Never tried one. I see them all the time. It looks like a demon fruit.
Well, it's.
They look
buy
cool.
one, get
Sure.
one.
You want to try dragon fruit? What color do you think it is on the inside?
Pink or white?
I think they're white, if I remember correctly.
I think they're white with the black.
With the black seed. Get it, Jules. Do your hopscotch. Hopscotch. Oh, get out, silly.
Just like a sock. I like these socks. I want to get.
Oh. Oh no.
I'm mad.
You'll
They're gonna
survive.
give me a free size that fits me. They're gonna give me a free size that fits me.
You think?
Yes.
Who said that? G-O-K?
Yeah.
What's that mean? Draw it. What is up? It is Wednesday, and any of y'all that have been on this channel for a while know that Wednesday for us is Sushi $5 Wednesday. So I need to run to the store really quickly and pick that up. And then I also went to the ENT this morning because I needed a second round of antibiotics because the first round of antibiotics did not knock it out. It moved from my left side to my right side, and I'm having all sorts of pain and pressure and drainage and all that stuff. So my prescription's ready. Need to pick that up, and then I'll go and get our sushi, or maybe I'll do it in the opposite. Whatever. I'm tired. My head hurts. Let's go do this. Thank you. Chill. This garage has become the bane of my existence for a good amount of time now. And for a year and a half, we had someone living with us in our basement. So I used that as my excuse for why I couldn't get it clean, because we had people down here and I didn't want to be in their space while they were there. Would not try to make it so that it was, you know, felt like home in their space. But now that they're gone and they have been out for a couple of months now, there's no excuse. And it's just turned into storage. So, I mean, there's all sorts of just junk and knickknacks all over the place. And we have a large garage, so we actually have potential to do something in here. But when you got a bunch of just junk everywhere, like, yeah. So I need to start getting in here and at least trying to knock out, I don't know, an hour a day, 30 minutes a day, just so we can get some progress. Because right now it's a mess and it don't need to be this way. Yeah, no excuses. Just got to get it done. What's today?
My birthday, y'all!
And what are we doing today?
Dinner with family.
Dinner with family. I'm good, Jules. I don't need any stickers. Wait, so how much money you got?
153.
153?
And a little bit more from my other.
And what do you keep saying? What are you? You're what?
Oh, I don't want it.
You're...
Yesterday.
No, girl, ain't nobody giving you a yes day.
Yes, you
When
are.
you saw the money, you said, I'm rich.
I'm $153.
That's in gift cards too, and Starbucks and stuff. But yeah, she's racking up the cash. Pretty much she's gonna be paying for my retirement soon. Today is Tori's 8th birthday. It's a Friday. Her actual birthday party will be tomorrow, but she did request that we have family over for dinner tonight and requested pasta, and I believe she also requested a honey cake that Tanya only makes like once every couple of years, so that's a special thing that we have to look forward to tonight. But as always, I am headed to the store because there's stuff that has stuff that's been forgotten. So I need to get gas, and then I need to run to the Dollar Tree to get a couple things, and to Aldi. So y'all come along with me. So we have a hornet's nest in our bush, and we need to get rid of it, but nobody's trying to. It's in an awkward place and it's hard to see. So Tiny came up with the brilliant idea of, hey, why don't we sit in the car and spray from the window, like let the window down a little bit and spray and see if we can knock this thing out. So she's the brave hornet killer. Ooh, see? Oh, Lord. Oh, look, you see. Oh, oop, oop, oop. Did you get them? They're moving. Ooh, they're not happy. Oop, here they come. There's one.
I see 3.
Oh, they're struggling. 2.
Or maybe 4.
Ooh, it might be a lot more than that.
Do they need a second dose? Do they need the refill?
At least 4 of them. 5, 6.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah, that's more than we thought. Gross. Back up just in case there's someone in there that didn't.
This is not a long stick.
I mean, oop, what?
I don't know, something blue.
Wow. It's not a long stick, but. Oh, yeah, they've been busy in there.
Did you knock it off?
Thought I heard some wings fluttering in there. I did knock it off.
I'm so sad. Only hands.
figured I would try something new and do a little walk, a weighted walk. Rucking, I think it's called, where you go hiking or walking with a either weighted vest or a backpack. So I got 20 pounds worth of weights in my backpack. And the neighborhood I live in has all sorts of hills. So we're gonna see how it is walking with 20 pounds of weight on my back and see if I notice a major difference or if this is something I want to continue doing. So we'll see. So I am officially done with 43 minutes of walking and with the what's that thing called? Backpack with weights inside. I simply took two 10-pound dumbbells and put them in there, so adding up to 20 pounds. And I can say for sure that that walk was the most intense walk that I've been on. You know, I didn't have the high intensity or impact on my knees like I would if I were running, but I have the tiredness feeling like I have been running. My legs definitely got more of a workout than they usually do, and so I would say that it is a success, and I'm going to have to continue to do this and just see how this helps along my fitness journey, but it's definitely a plus. I'm here for it. It's just hot. It's extra hot in Georgia right now. But yeah, I like the weighted walk, and who knows, maybe I'll add more weight once this gets easier and I'm used to this, but I don't see that happening anytime soon just because of the amount of hills in my neighborhood. So I think I'll probably be set with 20 pounds for a while.
Different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?